Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video. If you have the thermador refrigerator and it's not cooling, there are like multiple things that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix it, maybe not. If not, I'm sorry. So the first thing that I got is that just completely unplug it and wait for like 5-7 minutes. If you can unplug it, turn off the circuit breaker, 5-7 minutes, 10 minutes, and then plug it back in, and maybe it's going to fix it. Like you just need to have a reset. So then also what you want to do is that you just want to locate, maybe, because there could be like multiple reasons why it's not working. So you're gonna have the condenser coils, and you just want to check it out for the thermador to see there is like for the airflow, right? So if there is going to be like some debris or something, just cleaning out. Also, you want to check the evaporator fan. This is like another thing that you want to try to see if there is not some ice buildup or something blocking it. So this is another thing. Then you want to also check, maybe there is going to be issue with the condenser fan. So this is another thing that you can possibly need to fix and check if it's like operating properly. And then even you just want to check if maybe there is going to be something with compressor. So you want to check for guides for like every single thing, because I just want to make this quick video like how we can actually possibly fix the issue, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.